Students, today we are going to discuss about the measurement of respiratory parameters using spirometry. So the spirometry is the device which is help us to calculate the total lung capacity and functional vital capacity, systematic vital capacity, and minute vital volume. So these kind of parameters are which is help us to analyze the lung capacity and lung functionality. So here we are having the nose clip, and here we are having the spirometer, which is going to be mouthpiece is attached. So therefore air flow based on the different test will be held on through the device. And here we have the nose clip, which is uh, eliminate the air loss during the test. So the software which will be used for the analyzing about the lung capacity. Here we are having the different tests is going to be whole, and we started the first test, that is functional vital capacity. For the functional vital capacity, we need to be observe a closed loop for the extraction and contraction of lungs, and it will be analyzed as a functional vital capacity. So for that, we need to enter the patient. So therefore, here we are going to enter the register number, that is student register number as a patient ID, and the patient name is going to be entered, and the age, weight, and the height. It may be a centimeter or feet. Here it will be entered, and the basic details are entered. So once it is started, that is entered the patient details, and we can able to choose the doctor details, and the basic details are stored, and it will be displayed after entering the data in the analysis chart. So for the first test, we need to click the first test, and once it is started, then we need to click pre-medication. So therefore, after the pre-medication, so the test will be started. So based on the air circulation which is delivered by the patient, so we will get the response and it will be recorded. So once the test is completed, we can click the save button. And the second test is going to be, here we have the option to choose. So therefore, once it is chosen, start test, the link will be created. So by pressing start, the test will be started. So during the test, based on the parameter patient input through the spirometer, which will be recorded as the electrical signal through the system application. So during the test, the data will be monitored in the display, how the inputs are going to be recorded. So based on the recording, we can able to get the analysis and the results. So in this test, we can able to get the systematic vital capacity. So therefore, SPC test will be used for analyzing the lung capacity. Once the time period of test completion, the enabling of save button is enabled. So therefore, the data will be saved. And the last final test is named as minute vital capacity. So therefore, we can choose minute vital volume option, and by pressing start test, the test will be started. Again, in different time period, the lung performance will be recorded as the graphical signal. So this will be end of test. So therefore, we can save the data. After completion of each data, we can get the results through the results button. That is MEV. Results are recorded here, and SVC, by clicking or by choosing the patient, we can get the data. So therefore, here we have the results of the patient. So therefore, by analyzing each data, there will be a conclusion of total lung capacity. So therefore, the lung capacity will be analyzed and final results will be taken from the system. Thank you.